The factory method pattern in C# is a powerful creational design pattern that focuses on creating objects in a flexible and controlled way without exposing the creation logic to the client. Instead of directly using the new keyword everywhere and tightly coupling your code to specific classes, factory method lets you create objects through a common interface, allowing subclasses or implementations to decide which object to create. This makes your application extremely flexible, extensible, and easier to maintain. For example, if you need different types of notifications like email, SMS, or push notifications, you don't hardcode object creation. The factory decides which object to return based on conditions. This way, when new types are added in the future, you can easily extend the system without modifying existing code, fully supporting the open/closed principle. It also improves testability, reduces code duplication, and helps you handle changing business requirements effortlessly. In short, the factory method pattern removes tight coupling, provides clean object creation mechanisms, supports polymorphism beautifully, and makes enterprise applications more scalable, maintainable, and professional.